Good morning, Travis. It's Mike Young from BCS Auto Sales. Here is the truck. Hood's open. Hopefully you can hear the engine. All right, let's go for a ride. Hey, Travis. Finally put a face with the name. Hopefully you can hear this. Let's go for a drive. So I'm just pulling to the parking lot here in Vancouver, and I am going to skip across 3 lanes of traffic and take the exit for the airport. Build up a little bit of speed quickly. It's a real pain in the ass to get on the highway from here, so I'll just do it this way. Here we go. Okay, so I'm up to 60 kilometers right now. There's a lot of shaking in the camera. It's my camera mount, it's not the truck. Okay, I'm up to 80 kilometers now. Sorry for the vibration, I can see it going on there. The camera mount is a little, one of the connections is a little loose. I can't tighten it up properly, so it's just kind of bouncing around a little bit there. Anyways, for a V8 engine, this thing is really quiet.